Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix voicemail notification not working on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. And if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, so click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.